Hey guys, welcome back to County Line TV. This is the empty side of my desk where there's really nothing but part of a scope. Anyway, this is where the lighting is best. But this video is going to be a little bit different than what you usually see on my channel. It's been changing a lot lately, and this will explain why. We'll dig right into it after this. I got a new mic. I'll put a picture here of what my camera looks like now. Hopefully my audio is a lot better. I'm really hoping it is, because prior to having this dual direction mic, when the camera was facing away from me, I was very quiet versus when it was facing towards me. So hopefully this solves that. Maybe I should have opted for a camera that wasn't so vlog based, since I do a lot of filming the stuff that I'm doing as well as filming myself. So I guess we'll find out. Anyway, now to dig into this video. I tried to be a sellout. I posted a video. It was titled something along the lines of Hobby Farm Vlog. My Great Pyrenees gets permanent residency with my goats and alpacas, or something like that. It is Hobby Farm Vlog. Guard dog gets permanent residency with the goats and alpacas. So anyway, it got like 700 views overnight, and that's a lot more than most of the videos on my channel. Very early on in the channel, at this point in time, I have like 115 subscribers, so it's pretty odd for, 7 times that amount of subscribers to see a video in one day. But I was happy about it. I was like, dude, F yeah, let's make more hobby farm vlogs. Because if that's what's gonna boom for me, that's what's gonna boom for me. I was cool with it. But I made another one, something about making it so they had water all the time. Put a heated water hose into a bucket with a heater in the bucket, that way, and a float valve, that way it was always full and it couldn't freeze. And it didn't do well. It did very poorly, and I titled it really similarly, so things just weren't adding up. So I went to the YouTube Studios very in-depth analytics pages, which I do really like those, and in this case they really did help. And I found out why that first hobby farm video did so good. After I went full sellout, I engaged, like sellout mode engaged. I was in there. I was telling all my friends and everything, like, boys, I'm a farmer. And then after the next couple videos didn't do so hot, I dug into it, and we'll go over to the computer screen here and I'll show you what went wrong. So on this page, you can see that most of the people that watched that video were Indian men ages 18 to 34. And you might think, well, why is that so specific? And what does that mean for why this video got so many views? Why does that change your mind about being a hobby farm vlogger? Well, men from India, ages 18 to 34, and in the title to this video is the words permanent residency. Wouldn't you know, I got 700 views overnight because all those Indian guys want to come to the States. That's all it was. So, if you want to break the algorithm and you want to get your views up, I got 10 subscribers over that. So if you want some subs and you want some views, just slap permanent residency in a video somehow and you'll get them. I'm not going to keep doing it because that's just that's not the way I wanted my YouTube channel to grow, but I stumbled upon that, and I figured I'd share the experience with you guys. And don't worry, we'll go back to drift cars. You'll see some hobby farm stuff here and there, but we'll go right back to drift cars, because that's the stuff that I enjoy doing a little bit more anyway. So with that being said, I think that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully the audio in all my videos gets better. Hopefully this at least made a couple of you laugh, because it sure did make... I was a little upset, don't get me wrong, when I found out what the actual reason was, but it made me laugh too, so we can all laugh together about it. I'll see you guys on the next one.